Can you please provide the correct channel of raising matters when it comes to issues pertaining to our strata complex? Should the lot owner first contact the strata manager, or is the strata committee the first port of call? We don't have a building manager. There is an owners corporation letterbox, but I don't know if it ever gets cleared out. If our strata committee has email addresses, we don't have access to these. Should this be in the AGM minutes once the committee has been approved? Is there a basic step-by-step chain of who to contact? And if the matter still hasn't been addressed, then what is the next step?
Yeah. So depending on what the matter is, the first port of call is to the strata manager for a response. So depending on what the request is, they'll either make a decision on the spot or they'll pass it back to the strata committee. It's highly unusual for strata committees to pass out their personal email address or phone numbers. I've even recently had this end in disaster where my advice to the strata committee member gave their mobile phone number to an owner. The owner was upset and was texting late at night and so forth. My advice to the strata committee member was block that number. That normally doesn't happen, but the first port of call is the strata manager. Just send them an email or give them a call. If you want it passed on to the strata an email passed on to the strata committee, normally they'll do that, depending on the content and how it's written. If it's professional and courteous, normally that would get passed across to the strata committee. If it's guns blazing and all crazy, it probably won't, but I assume that it'll be a courteous professional email they'll be sent, so that should get passed to the committee.